the simplest way to make money online in 2026 and beyond. Hi, I'm Carol Reve. I am your GDI girl or your GDI grandma, however you want to phrase it, that's fine. The secret to growing Global Domains International is having a system that works for you. But it's also, you need a simple system. Something that's complicated, that's going to take you forever to try and figure out or put together isn't going to work because it's not duplicatable. Okay, so you need a simple system like this that you can give away to the people that join you. And this system guarantees you signups, guarantees you paid GDI signups, providing you're active. Okay, so when you join GDI, you're also going to be joining the Smart Rotator. Now, don't think of, though, because it's just a $10 program, always it's going to be worth it. All you need to focus on is getting 5 people. Okay, and like I said, this system guarantees you signups, providing you're active and you qualify for them. Okay, so with just you focusing on 5 people, all right, who want to build a retirement plan from a $10 business like GDI, and then they find 5, the numbers go up to over $3,000 a month. Okay, now that's not a guarantee income disclaimer. You can also earn nothing from this. You'll get out of it what you put into it. Okay, to qualify for the GDI signups, you just simply need to be active, which means you need to send traffic to their links. Okay, and this is the back office of the GDI Rotator. Now, this is not GDI. GDI is a separate login, so this Rotator is run by different people. But like I said, once you join, and the Smart Rotator is free, and GDI is only $10 a month. So you come down here and you look, and here's your links are already set and coded to you. Okay, this is a good one, but this doesn't count towards your hits. Okay, that one. And then look at all these landing pages, all coded to you. You don't have to set anything up. Autoresponder, capture pages right here that get sent out, that send out on your behalf email messages. Look at how beautiful this is. And you can see it has a beautiful video. That this actually works as a video. You just can't see it right now. It shows you that 5 have joined in the last 24 hours and over 25 in the last 7 days, over 5,700 in this. Okay, so you need to be active for this to work. Here's capture pages. They even have a blog that's coded to you. They put content on the blog, fresh content every week. You know, guys, you could just click this blog and do a video from Zoom, get on Zoom and record your video, and just read this. A definitive guide to passive income with Global Domains International. Okay, you could just go through this and read this. And there's other. There is other articles. Maybe you might want to read an easier article. GDI has been around for 27 years, okay? It is a solid company. I've been in it since 2018. It has paid me every single month without fail. Even when I haven't been advertising for it, it still pays me, okay? This is a great company. They're certified with PayPal, which is non-existent nowadays with any other company. So this is really good. Now this is the GDI, my GDI back office. You'll see right here, Carol Reve. That's me. There's my email. I'm a Platinum Director. Now this is how I help my team that joins with me. When you subscribe to my channel and you like my videos and you share my videos, it helps me and it helps my team because then I move people below you when you do that. Now, one person every month, but you need to be consistent with it. You need to be consistent in liking my videos and sharing them and things like that, or showing me that you're working towards growing. I do have a replicated a site of my own that can grow your list. So if you're in that, I also send people to you. But this is the simplest way to get this nice blog. Look at all the posts they have. You can do videos just on the post, and this blog is coded to you. 7 best low-cost affiliate systems. Team building without cold message working. I mean, look at all this content, guys. This is incredible. And like I said, again, how I help my team is I move. When you're in the free 7-day trial, I can move you anywhere in my 5 levels. And that's what I'm going to do today. And the person that is the winner for today, person that got the new person today is Bia. Congratulations, Bia. You have a new person that has just been placed below you. Okay, so that is it for today. The secret to growing Global Domains International is having a simple system. Okay, you saw all of this right here. Capture pages, landing pages, a blog with tons of information. Okay, you have right here how you qualify to get up to 10 GDI paid referrals. Now, this doesn't mean you can come in for a month and you're going to get all 10 paid referrals. No, you need to send traffic to your links to be able to qualify. Okay, anywhere from 100 hits up to 1,500 hits weekly. Okay, and then upload your downline report and set up a backlink, which is just simply putting a banner on a splash page. That's all I did. And I have 3 backlinks set up. Okay, so this system is simple. Simple duplicates. You don't need an autoresponder. You don't need a list. You don't need a following, but you do need to be active. Okay, GDI still kicking, still around. I love it so much. Like I said, every month it pays like clockwork. So click the link below and join my team today, and then we can help you. I've been calling this my $10 retirement plan, and it's because the right here, this is a $10 retirement plan. Is it easier to set $300,000 aside in a bank account and earn interest on it and hope and pray that it doesn't go down and you don't lose your principal? Or is it easier to take a $10 business and grow it over time? Okay, so God bless, take care, and let's go GDI.